crying.
Hi friends. This video will show you how to fix Avast SecureLine VPN not connecting in Windows 10. Sometimes Avast SecureLine VPN does not work properly. A SecureLine VPN connection failed error message will appear when Avast SecureLine VPN is unable to establish a connection. Now let's fix it. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. First, check that your internet connection is working without the SecureLine VPN. So turn off the SecureLine VPN. Then open a few websites in your browser. If you do need to fix the general connection, check out the Internet Connections Troubleshooter in Windows. That might fix the connection, or at least provide some hints in the direction. Follow the guidelines below to open the troubleshooter. Click on Start menu and select Settings. Select Update and Security. In the left pane, click on Troubleshoot. Scroll down and find Internet Connections. Click on Dot and select Run as Administrator to open the Troubleshooter's window. Fix 2. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Firewalls can get in the way of VPN connections. Thus, turning off Windows Defender Firewall might fix Avast SecureLine's connection. Users can turn off the WDF as follows. Open Control Panel. Select System and Security. Under Windows Defender Firewall section, click Check Firewall Status. In the left pane, click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select both the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall options. Fix 3. Close conflicting VPN services. SecureLine not connecting might be due to other conflicting VPN services. Those who also utilize other VPN clients will need to ensure there aren't any other VPN services running. One way to ensure there are no conflicting services or software is to clean boot Windows. This is how users can clean boot Windows. Right-click the Start button and click Run to open that accessory. Open the System Configuration utility by entering msconfig and run and clicking OK. Click the Selective Startup Radio button on the General tab. Uncheck the Load Startup Items checkbox. Select the Load System Services and use Original Boot Configuration options. Click the Services tab. Select the Hide All Microsoft Services option to exclude those services. Then select the Disable All button to deselect the third-party services. Click Apply and OK, and then click Restart to reboot Windows. Fix 4. Choose an alternative server location. Avast SecureLine doesn't have a huge amount of servers for its millions of users. So the server you're trying to connect to might be overloaded. As such, connecting to an alternative server location could fix the SecureLine VPN connection. Fix 5. Check the Avast SecureLine subscription. Avast SecureLine won't connect for users with invalid or expired subscriptions. So users should check their SecureLine subscriptions. To do that, click Settings, Subscription, SecureLine VPN, and Validity within the Avast software. Avast emails might also tell users if they need to renew their subscriptions. Fix 6. Reinstall Avast SecureLine. Reinstalling the Avast SecureLine VPN software is another potential resolution for its connection failed error. Then users can at least be sure that they have the very latest version of the client software. First, you need to uninstall Avast SecureLine. After uninstalling the software, restart Windows. Now you can reinstall Avast SecureLine on your computer.